Hello students, today we will discuss exercise number 3.1. Exercise number 3.1. Before going to exercise number 3.1, we should know some more key concepts. Those are degree of a polynomial. What is meant by degree of a polynomial? Look here children, this is one polynomial. 5x cube minus 4x square plus x minus 1 is a polynomial. In this polynomial, in the first term, the power of x is 3. The power of x in the second term, the power of x equal to 2. Here the power of x equal to 1. Here the power of x is equal to 0. The constant term, in the constant term, the power of x is 0. Already I have discussed with you. Okay, but which is the highest power of x in this polynomial? 3. So this 3 is degree of this polynomial. Okay children, it's a very easy concept. See, look, see, so degree of polynomial means p of x, if p of x is a polynomial in x, the highest power of x in p of x is called the degree of polynomial of p of x. Okay children, just you remember highest power of x, that's all, in the any polynomial. Okay children, that is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, we will see the one more polynomial. See, this is one polynomial. 5x is a one polynomial. In this, what is the power of x? 1. So this is only one term. One term. So degree also is 1. 1 is the degree of this polynomial. See, in this polynomial, what is the power of y? 1. What is the power of y here? 0. So which is the highest? 1. So 1 is the degree of this polynomial. Okay children? You can take any polynomial. See, this is one polynomial. Okay, 2x square, this is different. 2x square plus 3x minus half, which is the power of x? 2. Here, what is the power of x? 1. What is the power of x? 0. So, which is the highest power of x? So, 2. So, 2 is the degree of this polynomial. Got it? We will go to exercise, then you can learn easily. Okay, children? Next concept is value of a polynomial. See, p of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 3 is a polynomial. If you substitute x equal to 1, then it becomes p of 1. See, look, I will write here p of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. If x equal to 1, then it becomes p of 1 is equal to x square means 1 square. Why? Because x equal to 1 minus 2x, and 2x means 2 into x, that is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3. So then it becomes 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay children, then 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 1 minus 5 minus 4. So this minus 4 is the value of this polynomial at x equal to 1. That is the value of the polynomial. Okay children, suppose p of x is there, if you substitute x equal to k, then it becomes p of k, that's all. Okay children, next we will see 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. Next concept is 0 of a polynomial. Suppose p of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. This is polynomial. If you substitute x equal to c, I will write here p of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 3 is one polynomial. This is example for polynomial. If you substitute x equal to 3, listen carefully children, if you substitute x equal to 3, then it becomes p of 3. P of 3 is equal to x square means 3 square minus 2x means 2 into x, that is equal to 2 into 3, then minus 3. So that is equal to 3 square means 9 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 3. Then 9 minus 6 and minus 3 becomes minus 9. So plus 9 minus 9 becomes 0. So finally we get 0. Then 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial. If the final result is 0, then the given value of x is the 0 of the polynomial. So we have to write here, therefore 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. What is polynomial? X square minus 2x minus 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 is the given polynomial, is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay children, next if you substitute minus 1, see look here, p of x equal to don't confuse it, p of x equal to what is polynomial? X square minus 2x minus 3 is a polynomial. If x, this is x equal to 3, now we are substituting x equal to minus 1. Okay children, if you substitute x equal to minus 1, then it becomes p of minus 1, that's all. P of minus 1 is equal to x square means minus 1 x square minus 2x means 2 into minus 1, then minus 3. Okay children, then it becomes minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus, next this is minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2, next minus 3. Okay children, then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, this minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So finally we get 0. Then minus 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay children, those are the 0. X equal to minus 1 is the this polynomial. So here minus 1 is called 0 of the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay children, we will see the next. 3 is over, minus 1 is over. 2. Now take x equal to 2. 1 second. Children, you can write by pass. Okay children. Now p of x equal to this is given polynomial. Okay children, x square minus 2x minus 3. This is given polynomial. Suppose if x equal to 2, if x equal to 2, then p of 2, then x square means 2 square minus 2x means minus 2 into 2 minus 3. 2 square means 4 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 3. Okay children, plus 4 minus 4 cancel, then we will get minus 3. Is it a 0? No. So minus What do you have substitute 2? Finally we get minus 3. So 2 is not a zero of this polynomial. It is not a zero of this polynomial. Okay, children. Finally, we can say that if the value of x, if you substitute any value of x, then if you get 0, then only 0 of the polynomial. So here, first of all, we substitute 3, then we get 0. So 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, children? And then we substitute minus 1. What do we get? We get 0. Then minus 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. After that, you see, we substituted 2. Then we get minus 3. So 2 is not a polynomial to this. 2 is not a 0 of this polynomial. That is the 0 of the polynomial. Got it, children? I will repeat. See, if you substitute the value of x, if you get this 0, then only it becomes 0. Otherwise, won't be 0. Here also 0. So minus 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. We get minus 3. So 2 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Hello students. Exercise number 3.1. First problem. If p of x equal to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6, find coefficient of x power 5. This is a polynomial. P of x equal to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. Coefficient of x means what is there? This is the coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x power 5 x power 5 is x to the power of 5 is minus 6. Okay, children. Similarly, what is the coefficient of x power 7 means 5. What is the coefficient of x means 7. What is the constant? Minus 6. Degree of this next part, degree of p of x. In this polynomial, what is the degree of polynomial? See, children, already we have discussed now only x power 7. What is the power of x? 7. In this, what is the power of x? 5. What is the power of x? 1. What is the power of this? X? 0. So, which is the highest power? 7. Very good. That only degree of the polynomial. So, degree of the p of x is 7. Constant term. Which is the constant term? This is the constant term. Constant term is, okay children, minus 6. Next, write 3 more polynomials and create 3 questions for each term. You can write one more example. Similarly, you have to make the questions as it is. Okay children. Next, state which of the following statements are true and which are false. Give reasons for your choice. First question. These are true or false. The degree of the polynomial root 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is 2. Is it right? What is the degree of this polynomial? Here is 2, power of x is 2, here power of x equal to 1, here power of x equal to 0. Which is the highest? 2. So 2 is the degree of this polynomial, but they have given us root 2. So it is false. It is false. Reason. What is the reason? Degree of polynomial is degree of polynomial is 2 equal to 2. Okay children. Next, second question. coefficient of x square in the polynomial. See, now only we discussed coefficient of x square. Where is x square? This is x square. What is the coefficient of x square? Minus 4. So here they have written the coefficient of x square is 2. So is it right or false? True or false? Yes, false. This is also false because degree of coefficient of x square equal to 4. Coefficient of of x square is minus 4. Okay, children. Next, third question. Degree of the constant term is 0. Always degree of the constant term is 0. It is true because I will say this is true because suppose 5 is there. 5 also is one polynomial because 5 means 5 into 1. 5 into 1 means 5 into x power 0. See, this is one polynomial. Here, degree. What is the highest x power of x? 0. So, this is the degree. So, the degree of the polynomial, the degree of the constant term is always 0. It is true. Because, show that example. This is example. Okay, children. Next, fourth question. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. See, it is not a polynomial at all because it is not a polynomial. So, it won't be quadratic polynomial. Okay, children, it is false. It is false because why? What is the power of x here? 2. So, it is as a denominator. So, it becomes reason. It becomes power of x becomes minus 2. So it is false. Okay, children. Then the degree of polynomial is 1 more than number of, see, the degree of polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it. Is it right? No, it is also false because I will say because suppose take example, what is its degree? 3. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Is it 1 more than the terms, total number of terms? No. So it is wrong. Are you got it or not? The degree of polynomial is 1 more than the number of its terms in it. So here, what is the degree? Take this. What is the degree? 3. And how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. Is it right? 1 more than the number of terms in it? No. So it is a false. To take any polynomial, it was wrong. Next. P of t is equal to t cube minus 1. If P of t is equal to t cube minus 1, this is polynomial. Find the value of P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 0, P of 2, P of minus 2. Okay, children, it is very important. We have to find the value of P. This is P of t. Okay, children, this is P of t. Given polynomial t cube minus 1. Okay, children, we have to find the value of P of 1. P of 1 means substitute t equal to 1, that's all. So P of 1 is equal to T cube means 1 cube minus 1. That is 1 cube means 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 0. So the value of P of 1 is equal to 0. So this is P of 1 equal to 0. Then P of minus 1. Write every time P of t, then only you won't be confused. P of 1. P of t is equal to P of t is equal to this is electronic pen, no? Okay. P of t is equal to t cube minus t cube minus 1. Then we have to find P of minus 1. So P of minus 1, substitute t equal to minus 1. That's all. T cube means minus 1 cube minus 1. Minus 1 cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Then it becomes minus 1. Minus 1. This minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Then it becomes minus 2. So therefore P of minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Okay children. Similarly P of 0. P of t is equal to, no need to write every time. If you write like this, you won't be confused. P of t equal to p cube minus 1. P of 0 means substitute t equal to 0. P of 0, that is equal to q cube means 0 cube minus 1. 0 cube means 0 minus 1. Minus 0 minus 1 minus 1. So therefore P of 0 is equal to minus 1. Okay children. Next, I will erase it. Okay children. Next P of 2. P of 2. Before going to P of 2, write P of t. P of t equal to q cube minus 1. Then P of 2. P of 2 means P, substitute P equal to t, that's all. 2 cube means t cube means 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube means 8. That means 2 into 2 into 2. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 becomes 7. Therefore P of P of 2 is equal to 7. Next P of minus 2. P of minus 2. P of minus 2 becomes, write P of t first. P of t. P of t is equal to t cube minus 1. Then P of minus 2 means substitute t equal to minus 2. Minus 2 cube means minus 2 whole cube minus 1. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 8 minus 1. Minus 8 minus 1 becomes minus 9. So therefore P of, the value of P of minus 2 is equal to minus 9. Like this. Okay children. These are the values of the given polynomial. Next, fourth one. Next, fourth one. Fourth one. See children, check whether, okay children, check whether minus 2, 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 16. Minus 2 is a 0 or not? Now only we discussed about this. See, given polynomial p of x equal x power 4 minus 16. X equal to minus 2. Then it becomes p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 power 4 minus 16. Okay, children. Minus 2 power 4 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 16 minus 16 plus 16 minus 16 becomes 0. Okay, children. We get result is 0. So 2 is minus 2 is a 0 of this given polynomial. Therefore, minus 2 is minus 2 is 0 of the 0 of the polynomial polynomial x power 4 minus 16. Okay, children. If you get result is 0, then only it becomes 0. Okay. Next, similarly, x equal to c. Look here, children. Given polynomial is p of x is x power 4 minus 16. So put x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Then it becomes p of 2. Then x power 4 means 2 power 4 minus 16. 2 power 4 becomes 16 minus 16 plus 16 minus 16 cancel and we get 0. So final result is 0. Therefore 2 is 2 is the 0 of 2 is the 0 of 2 is the 0 of polynomial x power 4 minus 16. Okay, children. Next problem is same model. Try yourself as it is. Okay, children. Thank you.